blender set toy review. Ready to open?
Yeah.
Fun smoothie maker.
It's cute. I want to open it. I'm gonna open up the package.
We can use our hands then too.
Smoothie maker comes with a cup, with a lid and straw, a blender with lots of fruit you can cut up first, and some other ingredients like milk and spinach. Tilly is 2 years old and everything was very easy for her to put together. Like this. Okay, smoothie's done. Ready? Pour it in the cup. Yummy? Yay! This smoothie set came with this fun create your own smoothie card where you could check off what fruit or vegetables you wanted in your smoothie. Or you could choose from the pre-made smoothie specials on the other side.
Let's mix it. Is it done? You need to pour it into your cup. You pour it in the cup. Mommy, no camera. Let's close it. Good, you can push down those things on the cup.
Oh, cool.
I don't know what they're for, but it's fun.
Oh, thank you. This looks delicious. Mmm. Tilly, you make good smoothies.
Are we gonna make another smoothie? Yeah, okay. I'll help you. Let's pour everything out.
Tilly had so much fun looking at the card, finding the special ingredients for each recipe and adding them together to make the correct smoothie for us. There, I drank it all.
Wow! Mommy drank it all. Whoa, there's not even a single drip left. That's crazy. Cray, cray. That's cray, cray. Whoosh.